Hello friends, welcome to Electro Pixels. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notification.
Welcome back to Electro Pixels. In today's repair video, we're working on a 55-inch iFFALCON 4K LED TV featuring a CSOT LCD panel with the T-Con circuitry integrated into the main motherboard. The customer's complaint was that the TV had normal sound and working backlight, but no display. After performing a detailed diagnosis, we confirmed that the fault was caused by an internal short in the panel's gate signal lines, which prevented the LCD panel from producing an image. To restore the display, we carefully identified the faulty side and applied the gate signal taping method by masking the required tracks on the right side FFC, flexible flat cable. After reconnecting the panel, the short was eliminated, and the display came back successfully, with the iFFALCON logo appearing on the screen. It's important to understand that this is only a temporary repair method. The permanent and most reliable solution for this type of fault is replacing the LCD panel, as internal gate signal shorts can return over time. Nevertheless, this technique is an effective way to bring many TVs back into working condition when panel replacement is not economical. If you found this repair helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Electro Pixels. Also, press the notification bell so you never miss our latest TV repair tutorials and troubleshooting videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next repair.